Pwede ba may sabihin ka pa?
Good day, everyone!
Hi, I'm Peach.
Hi, I'm Jannah.
Hi, I'm Joy.
And I'm Rafa.
And we are here to give you some knowledge about inductive and deductive reasoning. So, let's go!
What is inductive? Is a type of reasoning that form a conclusion based specific example. The conclusion formed by inductive reasoning is called conjecture, process of reaching general by examining specific example.
Example is for example, we have seen 30 swan in the pants. Therefore, all swan in the pants are white. Is this inductive or deductive? It is inductive because not all swan in the pants are white. There's two kinds of swan. There's a black and white. So first is basketball player are tall. James is a basketball player, so he must be a tall. In this statement, it is called inductive reasoning because not all basketball players are tall. There are some instances that the basketball player is the height of 5'2", 5'1", so it's not a tall.
Now, let's proceed to deductive reasoning. So, deductive reasoning is distinguished from inductive reasoning is a process of reaching a conclusion by applying general assumption, procedures, or principle. So, a while ago, Peach said that inductive reasoning starts from specific to general. But here in deductive reasoning, always remember that it always starts to general and lasts to specific.
Deductive reasoning. So, all dogs are mammals, all mammals have hearts, all dogs must have hearts. We all know that deductive reasoning is a general to specific statements. It's a top-down approach that starts with general statement, theory, or hypothesis. So, in the given example, we all know that dogs are mammals. It's a general statement. And the specific is all dogs must have hearts. Since all mammals have hearts, all dogs must have hearts.
That's all!
We hope you learned something about our video tutorial about the inductive and deductive reasoning. So when you encounter deductive and deductive reasoning in your math subject, it's easily for you to identify what is the difference of those two.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
That's all! So we hope you learned something about our video tutorial about deductive and inductive reasoning. So when you encounter your deductive and inductive reasoning in your math subject, it's easily for you to identify the difference of those two.
Bye-bye!